उसके रहते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता। दुनिया साथ दे न दे पर माँ का प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता। हैप्पी मदर्स डे टू ऑल। टुडे we the students of class 9th A are going to present a skit on Mother's Day. Scene 1. Morning time at 4:45 a.m. Alarm rings.
Oh no, it's 4:45. I have to do a lot of work.
She firstly boils milk and prepares school bags of her children and do etc. works of household.
English, Hindi, maths. Oh, science. Science, okay. Done.
Bacho, get up or else you will be late for your school again.
Mama, please let us leave for 5 minutes more. Please, Mummy.
All of them wake up and now it is 6:15 a.m. in the morning.
Both of you go one by one and take bath. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth.
Yes, Mom. Mama, we are ready. Please give us our breakfast. It's high time now.
Yeah, Mama. We daily get late in the school.
Here is your breakfast. Eat fast. I am bringing your milk. Wait, I am bringing your lunch.
Mama, we are going. Mama, why you don't get up early in the morning? Our teacher scolds us daily.
Beta, but
Mother feels very sad as her children were blaming her. They were not understanding that she asked them to wake up on time, but they asked for 5 more minutes. Scene 2. Evening time at 5 p.m.
Oh, Sargam. Now see, I will definitely. But it's 6 now.
Oh, I will blow your wicket right now.
Mother enters.
Anukalp and Sargam, come fast. It's too late now. You have to do your homework as well.
Mama never let us play freely.
Mama, you always ask us to doing just homework and homework.
Evening time at 8 p.m.
Mama, today I will eat outside with my friends. I might be late. I don't want to eat your boring food. I am going.
Tanisha returns at 11:30 p.m. and her mother is waiting for her while sitting on a sofa.
Oh no, it's 11:30. Why is she not here yet? See, Tanisha, what's the time now? Why don't you understand that it's too dangerous to come late at night?
Oof, Mama, you always shouts on us. Why don't you go for a holiday? Just leave us alone.
Mother gets hurt and plans something. Scene 3. Next morning. Mother is not at home and Tanisha has to do all the work.
Anukal, where is your water bottle? Sargam, where is your history book? Oh God, how much work is there?
Where is my lunchbox?
Didi, where is my bag?
Ringing Papa? Where is Mother?
Mama has gone out for a holiday, as you suggested yesterday.
Oh God, I'm so tired.
In school.
Anukal and Sargam, show me your work.
Ma'am, I have not done.
What? Doesn't your mom ask you to do your work?
Anukalp and Sargam realizes that their mother asked them to do their homework, but they ignored and continued playing. Scene 4. Tanisha is staring out from the window.
Dishi, what you want to eat?
Nothing, Mama. Mama, I want to say something.
Say, beta.
Mama, I love you and your brothers a lot for me. And Mama, you know tomorrow is Mother's Day and I will be giving you the great surprise.
Tears starts rolling from Tanisha's eyes and she realizes her mistake.
Papa, I realized my mistake. Can you please ask to Mama for come again? I am feeling so sorry and I want to say sorry to Mama.
Mother enters. All the children hugged her and say sorry wholeheartedly. All of them thanked her for all the work she does for them. Yes, it is really true that to the world you are a mother, but to the family you are the world. So, Today, we the students of class 9th A are going to present two beautiful poems dedicated to our mothers.
There are angels God puts on the earth who care for us and guide us. You can feel their love and gentleness as they walk through life beside us. They do great things for us every day. They whisper in our ears. They even hold us in their hearts when we are filled with all our fears. They are always there to give a hug and try to make us smile. They treat us with respect and love. They treat us like their child. God bless her with me an angel. I am proud to call my own. She's been with me throughout my life, been with me as I have grown. She's guided me the best she can. She's taught me like no others. And I'm thankful I am the lucky one who gets to call her mother. Thank you. And again, Happy Mother's Day.
My mother, my friend, so dear throughout my life, you are always near. A tender smile to guide my way, you are a sunshine to light my day. Thank you and Happy Mother's Day.